Hi, this is Mohammad Rahmat Ali. I am very glad to write and read the 10th class English subject vocabulary or glossary. Vocabulary. Vocabulary is all about words, the body of words used in a particular language. Words are the currency of communication. They play a key role in communicating language. Vocabulary represents one of most important skills necessary for teaching and learning. I teach you 10th class English subject vocabulary from the first unit to the last unit of the subject. Unit 1, Personality Development. Attitude is altitude. Every success story is also a story of great failures. I will do it. Attitude is altitude. Attitude, the way that you think. Altitude, high position or rank. Stretch, to put arms or legs out straight and contrast muscles. Scratch, to rub skin with nails, usually because of it is itching. Skateboard, a short narrow board with small wheels of each end which you stand on and ride as a sport. Torso, the main part of the body not including the head, arms or legs. In spite of surf, to take sport of riding on waves on a surfboard enables, make him able to. Chicken drumstick, the lower part of the leg of a chicken or other bird that is cooked. Club, a heavy stick with one end thicker than the other. English Premier League, England's primary football league. Distraught, extremely upset or anxious. Rare, not common. Phocomelia, a birth defect in which the upper portion of a limb is absent or poorly developed. Mainstream school, a school that is attended by majority of the students. Tease, to laugh at somebody and make jokes about them. Bully, to frighten or hurt a weaker person. Bullying, frightening someone who is smaller or less powerful than one. Mobility, movement. Depress, to make somebody sad. Carer, a person who takes care of a sick or disabled person at home. Triumph, a great success, achievement or victory. Adversity, a difficult or unpleasant situation. Achieve, obtain. Inspirational, giving somebody the desire to do something well. Concentrate, to give all your attention to something and not thinking about anything else. Conviction, a strong opinion or belief. Perseverance, the quality of continuing to try achieve a particular aim despite difficulties. Freak out, make somebody shocked. Amazing, very surprising, absolutely, something is completely true. Fantastic, extremely good, excellent. 360-degree spin, turning 360-degree. I will do it, and every success story is also a story of great failures. Grasp, to understand something completely. Avid, extremely eager or interested. Aspirant, someone who wants to achieve something. Mandap, a raised platform. D-Day, a date on which something important is expected to happen. Delight, a feeling of great pleasure. Afford, to have enough money to be able to buy or to do something. Chirping, to make a short high sound. Monsoon, the rain that falls during the period. Zealously, a feeling of unhappiness and anger. Stumbling block, something that causes problems and prevents you from achieving your aim. Conceive, to form an idea, a plan, etc. in your mind. Duct, to push somebody underwater and hold them there for a short time. Accomplishment, an impressive thing is done or achieved. Cinch, a thing that is certain to happen. Outclassed, overcome,